This section explains to create new orders and write information material. Create this order. This order information. Order number you can do it in help. This setup you can for customization or choose other formats. This is not type file. Order number. No special symbols can be added to the order number. Delay. The delay you can manually input. Telephone number you can manually input. Order data. Order data the default date of the day, or you can choose other day. Deliver data default 2 weeks, or you can help modify. Prepayment and balance associated with ERP. Order clerk and address is order clerk's name and address. Customer information. Name, telephone number and address is customer's details. Manual information. The manual information have 2 ways to do it. One, double click. Select information that has been entered. Or manual input. The sale price should be filled in according to the actual situation, because the final offer is based on the sale price. If there are too many choices or mistakes, you can click this, select this rule. Click the delete key on the keyboard to delete. There have default. Now the distinction beer of manual. Material and quantitation according to the color. So choose a color as the default material before each thickness. After all information settings are completed, this is OK. Now create order successfully.